Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow these simple steps can experience improved quality of life despite having COPD. Hello from Seniors Health Companion, where we care about your health. The journey to better breathing starts with understanding COPD's impact on daily life. This guidance will empower you with actionable steps to manage your condition effectively. We aim to support your efforts towards easier, more fulfilling days. Let's transform COPD management into an opportunity for healthy, vibrant aging. You're not alone on this path, and we're here to guide you. Are you familiar with how your lungs work in the context of COPD? Think of your lungs as a pair of intricate bellows. With COPD, these bellows struggle to pump air efficiently. Understanding how your body functions with COPD is crucial for effective management. This condition causes airways to narrow, which makes breathing out challenging. Even though COPD can't be reversed, knowledge is power. Accepting and adapting to these changes empowers you to take control of your health journey. Let's learn more about how your body functions to pave the path towards healthy aging. Recognizing the signs of COPD early can make a huge difference. Are you experiencing persistent shortness of breath, a chronic cough, or frequent respiratory infections? These symptoms should prompt you to pay attention and consult with a healthcare provider. It's important not to ignore these signals. Early detection and proactive management can significantly enhance your quality of life. Self-awareness is key, and being attuned to your body allows for timely intervention. By understanding what your body is telling you, you can actively participate in your own health and wellness journey. Eating well is fundamental in managing COPD effectively. Focus on balanced meals that include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods like leafy greens, berries, and omega-3 rich fish can help reduce inflammation. Incorporate small, frequent meals to avoid bloating, and drink plenty of water to keep mucus thin. Preparing meals ahead can make healthy eating easier and ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. By making conscious dietary choices, you can support your respiratory health and enhance your energy levels. Let's embrace the power of nutrition for better breathing. Engaging in safe and effective movement is crucial for managing COPD. Incorporate activities like walking, tai chi, or chair exercises to improve lung function and overall fitness. Safety is paramount, so don't push beyond your limits. Gradual progress is key, and always listen to your body. Starting slowly and being consistent can help build endurance and strength. Modify exercises to accommodate your ability, and consider working with a physical therapist if needed. Remember, every little bit helps, and staying active enhances both physical health and mood. Let's move towards a healthier future together. Regular medical monitoring is essential for managing COPD effectively. Establishing a strong relationship with your healthcare provider can be incredibly beneficial. Schedule routine checkups to assess your lung function and adjust treatment plans as needed. Knowing when to seek immediate medical attention, such as during an exacerbation, is vital. Keep track of medication usage and any side effects. By being proactive in your healthcare, you can prevent complications and stay informed. Your healthcare team is your partner in navigating COPD, so don't hesitate to reach out for guidance and support. COPD doesn't just affect your body, it impacts your emotional well-being too. Isolation and frustration are common, but there are ways to stay mentally and socially active. Engage in activities that boost your mood, like hobbies or connecting with others. Join support groups for shared experiences and encouragement. Discussing feelings with loved ones can alleviate stress and reinforce relationships. Mental health is as important as physical health, and maintaining positivity can enhance your quality of life. Embrace opportunities for growth and connection, and remember that a fulfilling life is within reach. If you're watching this, you care about your health, and that's already the most important step you can take. Let's recap, understand your COPD, and recognize its signs early. Opt for nutritious meals, engage in safe physical activity, and maintain regular medical checkups. Prioritize your mental health by staying socially active and seeking support when needed. Your journey to managing COPD is unique, and small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements. You're empowered to shape your health journey with confidence and grace. Begin today with the knowledge and support from Seniors Health Companion.